It's a RCB safety plug, and screw it, and now I'm going to open it. Oh, it has two switch. You can see this one is test button and this one is reset button. When anyone gets shocked with electricity or any short circuit or anything happen abnormal in this set, will trip the circuit breaker. It will go off position, and when it press this button, the system will reset again and it will turn on again. So the main problem in this unit that it's not reset at all. So now we'll see what we can do with this. Why it's not resetting, and can we fix it? I press it, and when I release it, this orange thing should stay in here, but it's not staying. Okay, we have to open the full unit. I think we have to open this row, and there is everything. What's the problem? Looks like some corrosion happened by water. Let's clean it first. Okay, our mechanical system. The problem is in our mechanical system. You can see this is the main switch actually, but it's not connected. I don't know what's the problem. We have to open this thing, then I can try and pause the program. I open the coil, solenoid coil. The solenoid coil has this screw and the metal pin. Now it works. I don't know where is the problem, but the mechanical switch system is working right now. So I'm going to reinstall this coil thing and see what happened. Okay, that means I don't know. Let's put it back and test it. Yes, now it works. Wow, I don't know. Oh, it's actually good. Only some corrosion by water. Wow, super. Let's cover it as it was. This part is broken, but what we can do? Let's try some super glue. We need a little bit, but not much. Okay, then assemble it again. Screw this too, and finally switch it and the copper. It should work now. See, still working or not? What? I don't know what is going on. Sometimes it works, sometimes not. Hey, you don't play with. Is it normal? How it works? I don't know. Is it normal or not? After pressing the test button, it takes few seconds to get normal. But while it trip without short circuit, I think I turn this off and it shut off. Then I press it. Oh, one other thing. The screw. Maybe the screw has some roll. This is loose and it can disturb the mechanical system. Maybe so. Screw it. The problem is we need some bigger bit, but I have small one, so it's a little bit challenge for me. Screw this thing. Let's turn through it. Yes. Oh, resetting this thing is a challenge. It's so sensitive. Now it's black. You see the orange? No, not worse. I don't. It doesn't work every time. Sometimes it works and sometimes not. Why? I don't know. 221 volt. It has some resistor in here. They're very hot and I can feel it from outside. I think I have to open it again and make sure that the circuit is super clean and dry. This is super hot. It works, but not every time. I don't know why. How it works. Not work. Yes, how it works. But a little touch, not turn off. Maybe because of loose connection, because when I hold it tight and press it, it resets. Loose connection. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of video, then subscribe my channel.